Marvin Moraga, Betania, yes sir, now the last is in 5 seconds. Ball playing to number 55, gets it to go. Good defense, Betania, looking to roll. Number 5, everybody, good defense. Wide open 3, pound, 3 is remaining. Lost and round, finish the 54, 50, 54 game. After Migos, has the play. Migos, after the baseline step back. 26-30 is the score. Keeps it down. So first quarter, Beto against Francisco. First time goes with the SKA. Marvin Moraga, number 5, Berandia. Betania, 3. Gomez. Pull up the jumper from 3. 3. Semua. Oh, that's a fullback, number 5. Cisco missed again. Gomez on the move, looking left, looking right. Janet Pagyan, Miko, the drop is that move. Miko Sato. Pagyan, that is side, the floater. Number 9, Sato. Yao Ming is in the house. Yes, for 2 drop shots. So Mac De Leon, a.k.a. Yao Ming is in the house. Wide open 3. Gomez to Pito at the wings. Prado cut by Gomez. He finds the baseline. Santos again. Cisco. FCA basketball. Marvin Moraga. Betania. Yes sir. Now the last play to the defense. Semua number 25. Wide open 3. Misses. Hits up, offensive rebound sa ilalim. De Leon, the floater inside. 7 remaining. Tungkol. Betania for a steal, number 5. Double Belin. Big shot. Rebound number 0-0. And the pass, Tungkol. Pick and roll. Easy 2. Play number 5. Marvin Moraga. At the wing, Semua, the baseline, step back, 3! Set down, baby, hold again. Bad pass, check over again, 2 minutes and 5 seconds. Ball playing for number 55, gets it to go. 26-13 is the score. 3! Miko Santos, pass up the 3! Tikas all the move, Vecino, down, finishing with the left hand. This is the first quarter, MJ, balik na naman tayo kay MJ, balik sa laro. Double team, defense, turn the ball over, Miko Santos, backped, puts it in. Miko Santos, number 5, number 0, dribble drive, penetrates, once it can for steal. Here comes Miko, drive, Santos. Fortunatic run, 7-point game. Double teaming defense, 9 seconds remaining. Diwa, number 5, yes sir! 4 seconds remaining. Langsung laban, bilis talaga. 3! Marvin Moraga, handoff, Perez, reverse. 8 minutes and 35 to play. Number 0 from deep back 3 by Perez. Number 3, number 5 Brandon Bodies, two keepers back and opens the one for number 55. Technical foul on number 5 for Totting. To number 4, Larson Gunn and the shoulder fake. Looking for Santos, sidestep guilty, slicing through the middle of the pass, splitting the defense. A steal, number 0 Rivera. Petrania, number 55, she's double team. Perez, number 3, a steal from behind. Ronaldo, wide open. Total, here comes Larson Gunn, shake and fake, trap pass on the base, they are in the lead. Francisco solo up. Let's it fly. Makes the trade. Rebound Larson Gunn. Tikas na pampangan. Forward pass. Pampeg. Prado. Deflected. Again. Prado recovers. Marvin Moraga. Inside play. Francisco. Against Prado. Banging bodies. Nakawala. And one play. The best. Rebound Francisco, number 5, Petania, the Wolverine, deep in go play, deflected, stolen, out the pass, Larson Gunn, finishing with the left hand. Cut by Miranda, swat away by Francisco, good defense, Petania, the finger roll, take it. 2-point ball game, speed by Flores, weak pass, Flores, up and away. Look good. Marvin Moraga, second break from the inside, the finger roll, gets it to go. Marvin Moraga, the Wolverine, a steal. Nice play, kick that pass at the wings first. Francisco. Speed up for the rebound. Here comes Gomez, brilliant pass. Fabian, another, number 11, Vito. 54-50, 3-point game. What a move! So up number 3. Larson down on the move. Up the baseline. Move. The speed of double down. Up and up. SJ offensive. Number 0. Body mistake. Gomez. One up and out. That's lucky Moraga. 61, 54, 7-point. Nico Santos, 3. Happy viewing, Captain Medina. Ang palit na. That is a good play. SK Mami, happy viewing. Tito, 3. Raymond, Jeripan, Tikas on the move. Backdoor play, nakawala. Nico Santos. Pass break play, pinto side, malamig pa rin na kamay. Jerry Fabian, only the 5 points, number 5, penetrate inside, get up the goal. The lead, back up by 3. Alay battery. Wide open 3, back 3. Number 25 again. Down to the dish. Yes. Looking for Nico Santos. 5 by 3. There's rebound ngayon. Another basic put back. Number 8. Dribble drive side. Good keepers kay Larson Gunn. Nakawala naman. The finger roll himself. Francisco. There's a ball back. Set to go. SJA basketball, the Wolverine, second pick, a step back. Francisco, elbow jumper, knocks it down. Shot clock at 7. Astin, outlet. Larson Gunn gets it to go. Against Rivera, Flores. Panira na lang pinasa pa ang the 2 minutes to play. Give it go play. Another extra pass. legit na yan. So, three! Oh, he got out to Francisco. Number 5, Betania. 3 against 1, Betania. Up in the line, Betania. Down to 3-point ball here. 3-ball is trouble. Gerard Fabian. Out there, Nico. Side step, Belly. Nico Santos. Tuco. Gerard Fabian. Versus Operation 3-ball. 3-point ball. The first takes of the lead. Tawag the lead. Rebound Gomez. There's another Nico. That's Nico Santos. Game basketball. Number 25. Dancing in the paint. Cross-court basket. Number 23. MJ. Trap pass inside. Francisco. Baby hook. Yes. Francisco. Gomez up the wings. Number 0, Rivera. Yes, sir. Top loader. And luck to bring the Atamo scores board. Closer can. All 6 and 4 remaining. Gomez on the run. Back by Gomez. 1984. Snapping to the offense. Gomez, number 5, pick the roll. Fabian to Gomez on the move. Gomez, second pick. Kick up inside. 2-1 game. Pito knocks it down. Guido Gomez. And Jacob Moraga. Pass inside. Gomez recovers the loose ball. Gomez. Keep it, go play. Puts it up. Puts it down. On the passing. PBA number 17. Jerry Fabian. That was a big shot from the big time player. The defensive stopper. Missed the second try. Shut down the shoot. Passing the field to step back. Miscommunication. Better than the last count. Saving the day. Last count. 99-87. 12-point game. Number 5. Yes. 245, 10-point game. Gomez, the fourth general, put up the three. 102, 89. 10-point ball game. MJ County, Sumua, 25. Downtown, 3. Yes, 32. Nasser Khan, wide open. He's down short. Come on, MJ. Up the pass to number 5. Sumua from deep. 3. Missing the second try. After that, 3. Probably down to 6 or down to 7. Sumua. That's a pushing down. 102-88.
Minute na siya kayo.
Third personal foul of Jenny Fabian. Warning for penalty. 4-point play. Moses. Number basket AJ. Number 5. It's a big miss. 3-point ball game. 102-99. Jerry Fabian. Nico Santos. 104. Nasser Khan for the deepest. 104. Nalolobat po ang ano natin. Unfortunately, nalolobat po siya. Hindi na natin po may control yan. Meron ba isang timeout, Tikas? Wala na po kayong timeout. SJK, pass to 3. Our best play of the game, again and again.